everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my notes over here, my products over here. So yeah, let's get doing this. This is That's Expensive Project Pan. I'll link everything down below because I'm in a Facebook group. You can join if you like. I would love to have you there, as many of us girls would love to. Let's get situated a little bit more. Okay, we got Nars Lippies. So I started at 34 grams. Is that grams? I don't know. Grams, ounces, stuff like that. Okay. So here's what it looks like. It's like down to here, but then there's oil. So it is a pretty messy lippy. Like, I don't recommend it because it's so messy, and no, it's pretty, but I don't recommend it. I have to turn the weight back on. So we were at 34 and it's still at 34 grams. So that's staying to where it's at. Now we have Becca, which I had pretty good progress. I'm right here. I'm going to be marking this one for sure. This one has oil, and see, if you touch it, it goes away. So, it's at 129, and it was 132. So it went down to 129 G. Pretty nice. I am using this every day, so I love this foundation. But I am mixing it in with a different foundation, and I do have to set it with spray and sponge. So that is it. It's like pretty much the same. So next is Wonder Beauty Face Oil, which I have not used just yet because I am trying to finish my last primer. So, and it's just a little bit left. It's like around here. So this one's brand new still, and I guess it's gonna stay brand new until I actually use it. So that is staying at 81 grams. No, 34 grams. Next is the Wonder Beauty Face Palette at 81 grams. So let's put that in. It's still at 81 grams, so I'm not going to renew that. But this is what it's looking like. It looks the same. It literally looks the same, even though I'm working so hard on this shade. And a little bit on this shade because I don't use much blush, but I use a lot more bronzer. So I'm hoping to hit pan on this next update. So we will see. We have the Pineapple Palette from Too Faced. Okay. So I have been using that. It's out right here. This is what it looks like. This is 138 grams. So let's see if it went down any. I doubt it. 137. So it went down a gram. So that's pretty exciting. 137 G. Okay, my next one is Marc Jacobs. I have not really been using this one, but I am using it. It's still at the line, maybe a little below. It is 313 grams, so 113, sorry. 313, and that is 314 was the last, so a gram down on that one. Yeah, okay. I was confused a little bit. So 113 G. So it's an okay perfume. I would like to get that out. That would be like an awesome, I'll be working on that. I just want to use up my other two before I start with something that big that needs more progress. Then we have the Too Faced Coco contour. That's what it looks like, and I'm working on these two so far, the powders. Last month was $285. We are now at $283. So 2 grams down to 83G. Okay. I use this every day, so it should have some usage. I see like more usage on some right here. So I'm excited, and it smells like a cocoa. Cocoa. Because it has real cocoa in it. And the last one is Becca Lip Gloss. So I am working pretty good progress. I use this twice a day, so it should be pretty good. So this is at 32 grams. Still at 32. It's weird because I'm using it and it looks like I've used it pretty darn good. But 32 is at the same. I'm not going to touch that. So that is my update for That's Expensive Project Pan 2022. Oh my gosh. When I say 2022, it's like, whoa, hold on. That means I'm going to be 33 this year. I don't want to think about that. I got a whole year still, but knowing that you get older, I feel like in your 30s, it gets a little faster. Like in my 20s was fast. Now it's getting faster. So, yeah, that's expensive. Why not just use up your products? You know, if you have meetings, even if you're staying home. I mainly stay home and using all these products every day, you know. So I just want things done out of my collection, and maybe in the future, go back to Marshall's and go crazy and repurchase most of these products. Hey, that will be like a one good time shopping day. Okay, enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.